How to check contacts on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Privacy, which is the second option. Then what you need to do is go to Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. Click on it. Then turn on Sync Contacts, which is the top option. After you have turned on Sync Contacts, go to your profile. And then beside Share Profile, you'll find plus button. Click on it. After you click on it, click on Contacts at the top. After you click on Contacts, you will find all the contacts TikTok account. Simply, if you need to follow or stalk their profile, you can simply click on their profile. And this is how to check contacts on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.